Yes, I will be a cobbium and for Emra Bedram Jumedia so, and Pensenpensenmu and as Saint Free Sabre Copinson Oncono, Ebaba Pausima, a Juno, meeting the Aquasi in Siabaja 4 Atrasia Babatrain and Como. And a Comocasi Paul, Comocasi Nina Efa, NPP, Aminu Quaba to Aboko, so Memeda a chairwing. Out of the about 926 delegates here, Cotuabano, it moved about 620 now and then something. And a to Edima, the Vice President of Ghana. Around 68%. Kennedy on here, Japan, that told me, no John Allan Kyerematen, and that told me, and a Dr. Osu Efriakoto, that also a 9. Says the fifth position, Aba Bejina, former NP for Asante Mampon, Francis Adom, and Boachi Ejako, former Minister of Energy, and Tepat Nipen for her say, or she be go kwamna sa run off net mi abaso ne yi baako abeka enan no eho na party no etimi dia ko ekokese do manim November 4th 2023 honom kwakoyi nipa obekuta frank ananka se adama NPP amyuku over 200,000 delegates and make it sad decision on November 4th across the 16 regions of Ghana. I'll post your live ewo YouTuber their comment or ebeje ni akenkan e dia ma share so ewo Facebook, Benjamin Swahili, DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV channel, so share live and so follow me on a questions here on Facebook. Na AFH and more. Alfred Thompson, a member of the MPP Communications team, also a member of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team. What can I say? When you have been a NIM PSA, a member of the NDC National Communications team. Also, Atenase. Honorable Samuel Ayepe, former MP for Ayensuano and Eastern Regional Coordinator of John Allan Kyerematen campaign team. Adom, Afresh ye.
Enye boko sao.
Boko una boko.
O se enye boko se sunu bia ne anope o sorry do obedi.
Anape so ono asori. Obi wo ho wentumi ansori. It is sorry, was sorry, I say with Danyamiase. At least first of all, thank God, which me was sorry. It is a book, say which me are sorry. Okay.
Honorable Ayepe, my miss out we so constraints and cophobia to an every or power most salmon for food dear. Any idea.
Mini my mini can cheer, wait if we are not pay.
Yeah.
Let me cheer and now Adom Kufado. My titles no so Ujaba.
Okay.
Me a member of the governing MPP communication team.
Yes.
And indeed a lead member of the team.
Okay.
Now I've been a member of the team since 2006.
Wow.
To date.
Wow.
Emra, you lose to 2008. Not 2009. You know I'm an MPC NDC for my way minister cry. Well, I will do Tony Yajini and West. Ministers be brave, communicators need be brave. Equatorial. Now also class of radio stations.
Yeah.
Me. Napo, current minister
Energy
for
Minister.
Energy.
Yeah.
Adomako Befi.
Okay.
And director for GEOC, the series
Maxwell
Kofijuma, 4 of us. And I can say with my chest out 4 of us. Later now we be kind Adoy
Hobson, okay.
Na yene papa we no press ya. Na fi amanfo say oh, say NDC program since share anyone on this and they join. Inti eldo so ya na waka
Mate.
Ayensu ya no fonso mi chia won.
Okay.
Na no kware ni sankama ewu a aka ayensu ya no fo nyina be san line no wodi nhwirin unum nhwirin
Flowers, yeah.
Abeto me na so.
Ate.
Na mi nwu ye de won fa me bomrem.
Okay.
Won ku krobo kakraka. Won fa beto me pon ano. Won ba na ma da kora wo de won fa to pon na no mi nyanga mehu. Say tini say ayensu ya no ade ba kwa na how ye nkese pa eye anwetu basa borofka say ye fa the illegal sand mining activities.
Yeah.
Oda okuani nu say we peasant farmers bodwa akua and ayensu ya no sase no so won say isim ya gasa ye practice family land system. It's actually a ebusian sase. And just two land. Okay. Let's get that clear. It is open to us as a family land system. Open to Anya. Also, open who ebusian.
Okay.
Now, ebusian for no so be na so the ones as nama settler farmers.
Okay.
And then you say adwuma. Inti ebi obuso ni we kwapem mostly families na asase won sase won ni nyina we kwapem. All the 17 states of Ekwapem no one sase wa yensuan. All the 17 states.
Okay.
And a Gans dangbe nti wo la mengo ase from Labadi la. Ye wo alema omufuosu.
Okay.
If you kwabo anta adan omufi adan. Kwabo antes akrobos. A chance akrobos. Mankron akrobos. Nti scattered any yeto. Na land owners nagasa ebi atinkran ha. And what this has now my settlers. Settler ne biane no buy. Ebi koko, ebi me, ebi brofre. The stand brofre hopa banchi ebru. Obada benyan no. Na ni etutura fu bi de atuo. Pop action guns. Na obatu atuo na adwo sa nti wunya tie atuo be se obetu anwea. Anadwo kwani ne be so atuo ni don't me kwada fu. Yeah. Ade be chi no the machine apra ne no buy ni nyina gu nchen. Oh. No nga bu anwea na no na tracks na start epic okwani ni kwa na ebija ni si wo buy na ya se no ahe na obeji
ye tu awie no. But
the question is sir, for the proper way of sand winning now, you value the crops on the land.
Yeah.
You pay compensation to the farm owners. Won gather crops ni wie na wa ba mekesi ahe na obeji.
Yeah.
Your valuers, your crop valuers. Only him how to value crops. No, I tell how much. More so, what to know buying was annual was assassination. Okay, you know, for 70 years, old to me cultivated BB was assassination. Just as not very useless. Until say after crops no crowd value what you can. I was so compensating for the period of 70 years now. Old to me BB was assassination. I was say minerals commissions. Environmental Protection Agency. It me my certificate. Allow say you can mine sand. Mining, no. Yeah. Sand winning is serious mining. Now what the poem you are gonna have person didn't work free. So what the ding and then I'm what they said. Personally, I have told him. Say Badwam Mpensenpensenmu statement is ni ani pe bi di mi din ya wa yensu ano esuhun opa was achem no. Me ni mo hwe. For now, we haven't heard anything from them. Yeah, they have adwene. Na me hu mo afiri so. Yeah. Na anu ni asema me kan ya ayensu anofo bi antimase. Ne anwetufu yi sika they organize funds and what did to me fi ayensu ano. The very people I was fighting for. Yeah. Because not me to me free soldier for, me to me free police for. No dey atuo abe pumps ankro for yefin sase no so. Tinani pe bi for say me how. Ahemfo bi am we interest wom individuals be sound winners they organized. Inti na me nuanom ebu say me the safe seat e wa yensu anu akwache no wa accuse me they don't know they don't understand. Ayensu has never been a safe seat for MPP. As not because seat be a safe no. Now to me when this seat no not less than 65%. The highest we have had in Ayensu was 57% I had in 2008. It is not a swing seat. Ayensu just swing seat. I agree. But it's not a safe seat. Because we have never won Ayensu by 60%. It is somebody I knew to the higher a wicked but now we know what is going on in Ayensu. CSC. As I said, President Adom. Yeah. A president be inti. Nipa before say, Oman to me. It weakens the stance of MPP in Ayensu. See, our controls our illegal sound activities now, irrespective of whom we present. A very difficult to say about this sitting. Okay. It may say, so therefore, a police for illegal activity. San winning na ekoso wa Ayensu no enya proper. Enya na makache DC ni say DC. Ayensu na bebe nkran. Definitely so be a passase anwea sidan a obeba Ayensu no. Yeah. Enti yem passase yantan bi. Bi a 100 acres. Yama expert mra no mo say I had a 100 acre land way anwea wa hapa. Tibetimi etuo. Na assembly ni tax asase no. Enfi land owners no nchen ye compensate wom. Me yanka say Ayensu no so bia ho pa anwea bia no this demarcated area no assembly no e the one agent to wo betso ticket amount na wa betu anwea wo. Okay. That is how it should be done because it's a farming community. Yes you betu anwea wo ba bia de be kakra nya bia ni o enne na me ko anwea bi kuro boton ase. Me ko abrante pa me di go afin kran akọ me du apa me de my sister so mu wo fufu mam o si ni banjo ha boton ase o se the banjo say quota One of them who so be so banching or the beefy, or the say banching you been. So I was him say banching, I'm say, oh, I'm going to quota.
Wow.
So now teacher man in the banching. Quota, I told us in the banch. I just saw travel 11 kilometers to quota.
Quota, on your banch.
So I could banch. One himself, maybe a tremor, just this one, yeah. Maybe a tremor, so call and crying. Ufia, now cause Suma. What do Chichire? And what I said, a bronya my crown at your bro. And this happening, queer no, you're trying to queer no.
Or someone I pay a former MP for Ayensuano about to Mpensenpensenmu. Now, the Justin Frimpong Kodua, General Secretary of NPP, the statement be about Abonting. Na we beto TV so ama wahwe statement na NPP General Secretary Ede Abano. Mary di nyina no achi so na John Alan Kyerematen so Ede statement and so aba Abonting. Now starting with Justin Frimpong Kodua Ede Adom. See August 27, 2023. New Patriotic Party extends gratitude to stakeholders for exemplary special electoral college election. The New Patriotic Party extends its heartfelt appreciation to all stakeholders who contributed to the successful execution of the special electoral college election, which took place on Saturday, August 26, 2023. We commend the collaborative effort of the Presidential Elections Committee, the Electoral Commission, the Ghana Police Service, media partners, aspirants, delegates, supporters, and the general public for their unwavering dedication to the democratic process. We extend our congratulations to all aspirants and their supporters for their responsible conduct following the guidelines, rules, and regulations set forth for the election. Your commitment to the democratic principle of the party is acknowledged and celebrated. While the majority of voting centers experienced smooth process, we acknowledge that isolated incidents occurred at certain locations. The leadership of the party unequivocally condemns such incidents and emphasizes our unwavering commitment to the integrity and fairness of the election process. Pursuant to Article 1075 of the NPP Constitution, certain individuals, namely 1, Mr. Raphael Patrick Safo, Mr. Charles Dochi Yao Adom, Mr. Musa Sulemana, Mr. Hobson Yovi Adoye, will be referred to the party disciplinary committee. This is a direct response to evidence including video and photographs materials which suggest potential violations of the provisions outlined in Article 35A of the party's constitution and the potential misconduct under Article 47. Emphasis must be placed on the fact that Honorable Kennedy Ohene Ejapong is to the above mentioned names will be summoned before the disciplinary committee of the party to provide responses and further details to accusations and threats he made against certain persons in the video that has since gone viral on social media and mainstream media. Signed, Justin Frimpong Kodua, General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Now, a statement from John Alan Kyerematen. And also, on Sunday, 27th August 2023. Press statement by Honorable Alan Kyerematen. On Saturday, 26th of August 2023, the Special Electoral College convened by the New Patriotic Party selected my good self as one of the presidential aspirants to contest the November 4th presidential primaries. Congratulations to all my colleagues who participated in the selection process. I wish to use this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for His grace and mercy in guiding my path that far. I would also like to express my profound appreciation to the delegates of the Special Electoral College who voted for me in this initial selection process. My appreciation also goes to my family and the Alan for President A4P 2024 campaign team, including members of the pro-Alan groups for their dedication and commitment to my campaign agenda. I would, however, like to express my deep sorrow about the brutal assault on my polling agent in the Northeast region. This is an indelible blot to the integrity of the internal democratic process within the NPP. I wish my colleague speedy recovery and God's manifold blessings and would like to assure him and his family of my unwavering support for his well-being. The A4P campaign coordination team is currently analyzing the results of the special electoral college election, and in course of this week I will deliver a public broadcast on the way forward for my campaign. I wish to reassure my teaming supporters, particularly those at the grassroots level, that the battle is still the Lord's, and that those who wait upon the Lord shall have their strength renewed. God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Sign, Alan Kojo Kyerematen. Alfred, Saturday, over 600 delegates, energy, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, out of the over 900 votes. Yeah, a course, a member of the vice president campaign team. Nina Moshana Monsa, a kind.
Oh, yeah. Hard work and dedication pays. Na answer na mesha said, me chia ubia orte and ocean. Me de incha kesema nanado dankwa ikufado, or the president of the Republic of Ghana. Nana bidi chi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Me de sanchi no so me take advantage akma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. A big congratulations. Yaminsha nekesinara. And also to thank all the delegates in the 17 centers. Omotuabano. All the regions are omochair to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We share a percentage on your per region. The lowest was 43.3% in one region. That was the lowest.
Fachempa na menkwa wano so nim komo we MRC Nkrofo statement am keke from Justin Frimpong Kudiano. Yebo abrante baako Raphael Patrick Safo. The Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer of MPP. Raphael joining one line so. Enigma. Raphael, good morning.
Mini opinion na bako dabazi.
Bako answer. Raphael, dear na abanti memre da yeso woto aba. Dear na abanti memre da woto aba wo de waba woto ye no e kire amanfo a ewo around the ne ye twe on call this fine committee. Raphael. But your me answer tra ne nya Raphael wa homa no so bi na. Ye ne friend. Na ye no edi enkomo. Na eja wetimi akire disciplinary committee ya party ni pen for edino ekono oye ne say na Alfred that's
inti mechia mema obia o support oye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia yeda na CP
okay
omo a omo ntumi anto ama no so yeda omo ase at least they've made a competition keen na ye besro mo say next stage no there Omon person will be joining and be joining and ye towards the victory.
Okay.
Because their Dr. Kine after all this they say we have a unity of purpose. Our purpose they say we need to unite to continue the good deeds ye sow on the ground. Inti ye mpese ye be breaking in front.
Okay.
And he wants to lead that cause.
But my son try Raphael be with the me pa. Raphael, akwaba biem. Okay. Na ebisa say dia na ba ya Saturday otu abawe na odi e kira manfo yi.
Hello.
Raphael. Okay. Dia na ba ya Saturday otu abawe na odi e kira enkrofo yi.
Hello.
Me tonka Raphael betimi akasa me tonka. Otimenka.
Yeah.
Raphael. There be 8 minutes Raphael and to us be Alfred yanko
inti yebeda obiase mechia kese nchia kese call a central region especially Cape Coast constituency central region so mo ya there pa omo to no they gave him over 46%.
Okay.
In fact all the regions he was leading. He led in all the regions. Into a good sign and say the next phase no we have to work harder and when you know hard work.
Okay.
A hard work na ama isinisa because o started say all the so far we got 7 regions we could share money there but constantly whilst he was going for various regional visits now we so or share the special delegates for from time to time.
Okay.
It wasn't an easy job Yankasa menene ye Ashanti, menene ye Central, menene ye Western. Na ye a little bit of Greater Accra, Eastern, ne, Utini, at the end I mean to me uncle. But you saw that he had a vision, he had a drive.
Okay.
And it shows you that the people underground, the grassroots, they believe in his message. Omo GND, omo tona semno. Now omo decided say it's not under intimidation or anything. They are going to vote for him. Who can say 955 now? I guess almost about 955 now. Our target was about 70%.
Okay.
Unfortunately, 926.
Yeah.
So it drops our percentage too down because definitely in Crawford be better. So to get 68 plus, almost 70%, it means that you are within our range. Okay. At least I should say you are within our range. Now, and say I may chair piece here, may chair the figures, may say 926 neighbor 2 years, so 629. It will say, yeah, pay me figures no. Or mom to look in Sami train one, I think, pay the numbers on that. Or mama good record, because he was in fact, he more or less led this team to do this work. And congratulations to all the team members, Sami, Mayor Ajay Sowa, Honorable Pariansa, Fred Oware, Cabo, Virus, a whole lot. And so it tells you, say, everybody, and when Obiatu, because of a purpose or because of baby, everybody gave his best. The MPs, or Shiomu one by one. And son always share the whole game as you know, or Shiomu one by one, on your Mukasa any idea, or Shia or more. Most of us are here, Juma Mano, or various regions near there, or share or more, you feel say, Koshamuna Wunio Munkasani idea personally. So these engagements were going on. And he really worked for this. He didn't take this, my friends, just to put you in the first 5 into N1, no. Because whatever you do now, we are working on a sample size.
Yeah.
In sampling, we'll share what the effects can be. There's first sample IFI, for him to get 70%, about 70% of that sample, gives a good sign that, listen, the bigger sample, so you can get more. Because the 629 people are the people going to work for you. They are going to work, and more people are going to be added on.
Okay.
Into enya say ebia wo ye keke, enya say ebia edaho keke, enya say ebia this is just it's just 5 na ye anti the aka and it consists of various breakdowns. Make sure people were whipped in line. Or ministers and government appointees near there. No, you're just 21 people.
Okay.
21 ministers, 14 ministers, and then plus 7, 14 regional, both regional and AE ministers and outside ministers near there, plus 7, a year 21. Okay. So it tells you, say, out of 926, 21 pay. Year government a year. I can say I'm from Mawa and say Omo and Toa, maybe affecting so much. So it tells you that the man himself worked. Now, fancy force will be
MPs over 100 MPs.
Oh, but how can you whip an MP in line? How can you whip an MP? Woman the post, woman the share. Why if I know home? He can decide he's going to vote anyway. That is why you had Sylvester following him. You had your friends, a lot of MPs were following him. Abner Sari was following Alan, Sylvester. You have Dr. Kisi. Okay. You have a lot of MPs also following the Alan camp. So,
but over 100 MPs supporting Vice President.
Yes, because when I started, I said that he met them one-on-one. He sold his message to them. Okay. And so, if you sell your message to me, and I'm convinced that may say me do it, you may endorse it. Nobody can touch you. And nobody was touched because won't we go MPAD? Say yes, say young fan say 21, for 21, you can sack them. So maybe the worst case scenario, go for and now you from more and whip them into line. Can you put the over 100 MPs are almost supported? No, you can't. Well, so let us erase that notion and work. Okay. It's about hard work. Fancy for Bibi Omoka, almost say, will you be the year? Now also there. Okay. When it was Nanado's turn, look at the way he gave himself out to Nanado or Yejuma Manu Oye Juma say oye to say oye Juma 2016 elections. When you see Dr. Badwam, you even think that on only din ballot paper so 2020 elections you saw the same thing. And now it's come to his turn. So the grassroots saw the good he has done. The grassroots who say Papa na ye Juma. And he doesn't joke with his work. Now, you say there's another thing that Adija Yeka say Obia ofidua pano na ye there na ye piano. And he's climbing a good tree.
Raphael,
this
Fachem pa. Raphael akwa babiem.
Oh, breaking.
I was my Joe Sumini up in
Otemenka. Raphael Otemenka. Okay. Yes, see, Brad, this disciplinary committee. It will say accusation they elbow when they say. Raphael. There be Mr. Mark when fair Raphael BM. Why? Meet me for Raphael BM.
Yeah, Miss.
And there.
Say I friend no committee so Monkasa he shouldn't grant interview to anybody or you mean he should not grant interview, he should leave it. He knows what happened. Me there me who video me who he didn't open the sheet. He should go and explain himself and exonerate himself. When you start doing that, you bring one P into your system. On your quiet, go and meet the decision committee, give a say out. After that, bad, then you can grant interviews.
But Honorable.
You mean can same chair Ura Alan Kyerematen.
Okay.
The next to lead MPP in 2024.
The next to lead. Okay.
Now, men MPP, abaso.
Okay.
Me to say there's no way. Ubinya 17 centers. Nipa almost 1,000 bekwakotoaba. We see ubi moyoro emu 100%. That is young target.
Okay.
Incident-free elections 100%. But me to me I can see 1 point. That is northeast pay. And they have to say. I think say and yet let's condemn it.
Okay.
Say and yet. Near course for honor. You prepare briefing because this planning committee are afraid ni pay yes. Say ayampa. Say nipa airflow to rules now. You can't say move beyond far inch and or intervene. And the Kobasa. You Kyerematen disciplinary committee and Juma.
Okay.
What about will come back here.
Okay.
Na ne ombe catch this planning committee no ya hwe na no so ya tasem ne ehu na de asomdwe aba na na electoral commissioners na me ye polling agent for Alan Okuforodua.
Okay.
Indeed me hu say obi ba hwa we see ye check it na medin enim ana medin no na spell on see ana photo bi akodi baby.
Okay.
In fact me the maso to firm so all the 17 centers na menti bibia antemo abaso ne mo police for abaso enra members of parliament, former members of parliament, senior members of the party, now who need voting rights, into who need accreditation. Kofobia sectec baby a year to about entrance or cry my own shaggy, let alone to come to the hall baby a year to about. Now, and found would be a once I want to have any be a accreditation.
Okay.
Want to me and shango. Rules now, party in the Bible, guidelines was followed to the letter. Just say, you make sure say BB will be Juma, police for the Sabas. Now, Papa police be a say, me born a basso. Police penny, COP, Chumesi, the Chumesi Ankrana. Fat, he did very well.
Oh, Kuforia.
No back of food.
Okay.
Very well. On me, Ankasa see, OP, Nankasa was sent out. Now, say your phone, uncle, and I will say, guidelines no back, can see. No. Wouldn't mean for phone and go near to the boots, like what about near no and define it. The guideline didn't define near. Into name who said young agents and I had to see able to make it iron for because now me say more gadgets are made Sunday information to the young central campaign center. Into none near na be issue kaka or free in agent chain. Your casa they say once our guidelines meant to men define it near as distance as how many meters no there yantias na obi amfa phone and man the second agent no na bibi also ye bia onye we agreed and then we came back it was so peaceful it yembo peaceful so abaso na afei ye hwe dan ye kwaye MPP fo dan na constitution ni si yenye constitution ni si mmiri biara ye be nomination for presidential elections na nipa no bebo 10 no so bebo 5 no yanko to aba nyempru yen sonso na enka 5 no wonko
okay
enti enara ba yakoto no memede na ba yakoto no yanko to aba se yekohwe de obedi kan na obedi so abien na obeto so abien se no yakoto aba se ye nipa anum
okay
na unga kojina 4th November ni yakoto won so aba you say me candidate Alan Kyerematen no di first I can me analyze first no di no to my advantage.
Okay.
Now they push me campaign no for 24th November no.
Okay.
Into obi so akodi kan no yes I don't have any problem with it.
Okay.
Na mo den constitution is den. Constitution is yenko yin di penum. Yenko yin di penum ni wi a afere ye kwakoto ni penum no so aba. Ni ye ko be lead party no. Nia obedi fifth no betumi abedi first.
Yeah.
Na no obedi first no betumi abedi last. I didn't make us electoral college e kwato aba. And now no me down. I hear 900 plus less than 1,000. Anna, wonga wo ba kwa to about 4th November no. I hear 208,000. Meaning what am I saying?
Yeah.
And it want to mean a sample size of 100,000.
Yeah.
And go compare a sample size of less than 1,000 and go compare to 200,000. So I research in here a research and I me ampa sample size of about 1,000 as compared to 2,000 very huge. But in your sample, in your research, in your voting na you kwako vote. And na ya sorry say you vote keke, ye nipa bi.
Okay.
Nipa ben and ye won say won ko to aba no. Party mpanyinfo, founding fathers, members of parliament, constituency chairman, the least ranked person. Oh, electoral college no ho air constituency chairman,
yeah.
Na san mama we no hwa na se yenye bedi ni kwara ma yehu a wo be hu se the establishment no ewo control a bit of control over the Saturday's electoral college.
The establishment in here.
Oh, now me a journalist I found out what is an establishment.
Just ye na ye hwe.
Okay, abang.
Oh, okay. And I'm friend system no.
System.
Okay.
I don't think I make us appointees on your mention 21 appointees. Omo kan ko to aba.
Yeah.
And you know, me ba ko say go say wutie ma me cha no pai. Os abang oyeduru. Abang.
Yeah.
Oyeduru. Into 21 no, what do I find the numbers was numerical strength.
Yeah.
They have other strength abroad the remaining 900 listen.
Okay.
Unless you are not politician.
A year 21 no.
21 no.
Okay.
Numerical strength no,
okay.
They are the weakest.
Okay.
But they have other muscles. Other influence.
That's the percentage control.
Control.
Okay.
Ebro ngari nyina so. Because abang oyedu. Obiara no be catch me say. Establishment, the system, abang any candidate no so nkan kware. Because 2007.
Yeah.
Not party no candidate. That is Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
2007.
I was part of the campaign team of the party's candidate.
And at that time they had.
Yes. Now, establishment and so on the candidate. Okay. Alan Kyerematen.
Oh, okay.
Inti muma ya nyati sania another ye name your course 207. Today it's the same today.
Yeah.
The party has a candidate and the establishment has a candidate.
Okay.
Enti niaya kone say
one party the candidate.
Establishment candidate no. Abenya control on Saturday the no kakra.
Okay.
Mumi enka no kware. Enti me and the A4P campaign team ye ka A4P Alan for president.
Okay.
Campaign team ye kono ye have the elections ni mo ne say selection 5 na we say ye ka ho.
Okay.
Anya hwe kura no LCA the second. Yes.
Okay.
2 ye kono ye nim say Owura Bawumia enya less than 60% is a disaster for him. Na wanga sa no munim. What starting say Saturday about to no when enya kura no 95% wo benya. That was they started with I would Kasana Mitianya. Anna, one our review will note and about 85%. So monitor system proud to headline goes capture all major headlines in the print media.
Friday
no throughout the
okay.
So monitor them. So they move from 95 to 85.
Okay.
Actually, woman, that's our review. One note. Go who's as an MSC Cofano. No, yeah, grip control, but very difficult for us to get the 85. And what about 70?
Okay.
And when you feel say, yeah, boy, and same, no, because woman move right from 95 to 70. And a research team be our UK. About one thing, Peggy one for at least 72%.
Okay.
Meaning, as okay, 72%. And honorable Kyerematen as an experienced politician and a part of Badwam campaign team, about one thing, no. All the sudden, I am a say, I between 60 and 70%.
Okay.
Now, sir, Dr. Badwam to me between 60 and 70% there. A column queer and come here and 4th November. And it will be yes and no. If a constitution define who formed the electoral college for the superdelegates.
Okay.
That definition is to governments in power.
Okay.
Not government in power having a candidate or the establishment has a candidate. Now when you're 60%, 70% to Krawanyade. Yes.
Sana uno.
Yes. It's your case, hey, sir, 60 to 70% Yaman uncle. Meanwhile, 208,000 are waiting for 4th November to vote. Name is Yamusi, last one. Yamusi. And you're done as a special delegacy a buy. Or your fancy 200,000 people. Then I will be to about. Because if it has 200,000 to about.
Yeah.
Now you 20 per constituency. Sometimes your constituency look like 275.
Yeah.
Near you 20, that was 207. You got to a baby in you know. Government in power, and the people be a wasika. That's why you saw in ska and the influence that small electoral college of 20 per constituency. And to avoid that, expand the base,
okay,
to 200,000. At least every polling station executive member in each of the polling stations should have a voting right.
Okay.
So, Kobasa, you to me in Fesika, and now governmental influence. I influence that 208,000. And then you bring free and fair. And then I buy. You're a smaller electoral college than even a mra near chance na year expansion. I got to aba na musi yam fair no. And decide who is leading the party. Me pa bocho. Sasadia, I then the expanded base. Inti yamfa the expanded be aggressive na wie.
Okay.
Yamfa the expanded base in Kotwara. Research is a kasa. Professor Jampu, about Bontia Bekesi. Senior Osho Petenta Krem, and as a researcher for political scientists, no, or as political scientist, no, what me say Uralan could my turn to 20 years meya. And for so detailed, baby, I'm now wondering what I am to you. Campaign you. Help me, Uralan Kyerematen ko Greater Accra.
Okay.
Yako Oti. Yako Bon, sorry, voter.
Okay.
Yako Ashanti 4. Baby, you say now what then is the polling station as a guy.
So not only control a war super delegates so as Dr. Badwam
no. It's Yako Nanya himself how they
Dr. Badwam enya that control on the super delegates.
What the question me say? We share the constitution come of us so you super delegates now. A creative opportunity man. Government in power be not this government. Okay. Government in power be will get some control over the superdelegates.
What I'm saying, okay, say
yeah, okay, no say. But Dr. Badwam is the candidate of the establishment.
Yeah, I know, but let me just say, say, oko can say, are you then referring say, you tall most of the delegates in the superdelegates for Badwam? Okay,
I'm not prepared to meet any disciplinary committee. And I'm choosing my words very carefully. The general secretary of the party is listening to me. The chairman may be listening to me. So I'm choosing my words carefully.
Okay.
You can say governmental influence. It's not about money alone. What can I say? You can say 20 ministers. Oh, you're minister. How many of them? Very few. Less than 5%. And it's me, but living MPs.
It's not because Omu believe in the man Baumia that may be a candidate.
It may be. But I'm choosing words very carefully.
So it's so maybe say a new system ninti ne ma Omu etu di
it may be the system. That is why I'm making my analysis and I'm choosing my words carefully. Because a possible say system also. Because you find to say, make us a sign as you. You find to say we are MP.
Yeah.
What declare was stand say, oh, maybe I want to work for Kyerematen.
Yeah.
The next time you see, they say, Ubi about constituency. Say, I feel Mr. contested this constituency. Oh. Then you see Nipebia, we are winning Babia Omufi supporting that person. Definitely, the next MP, or be very careful so not to be declaring a stand. Because Bia, Yanka, when you declare a stand, our contest be a man who want to constituency.
One name on the contest.
I don't know, my catch you say the establishment has a candidate, nothing be able to what you make.
The bit make you see the person also person over committee because general secretary.
Careful. It's in the American.
Okay. 2 minutes there.
Yeah, maybe okay. Maybe say. Near your Saturday.
Yeah.
You had to see 5.
Okay.
So you have 4 aka 1.
Okay.
The actual delegate conference, you got to a banker sanka say a year candidate, 4th November.
Okay.
Obia baby and I want them. And then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be at say, or not what they was special super delegates.
Oh, I can't say.
And Alan say, Mensu baby, I'm not one. The grassroots. The 4th November, the 208,000 delegates.
Okay, on the 4th November.
Okay. What's saying me? And now, what's next meeting with it? 4th November.
Yeah.
Now, baby, I know to say, Miss Me, I'm holding. Now, say, Wunsra, I didn't think I contest. So many PC contest. Now, PC catch him. Oh, now, baby, my campaign did. And they step down, I'm in queer. That's a Usuru contest.
But I say, on our side, I pay.
When 68%. We target was 85%. When 60%. I can work control between 100%. Well, to me, 70 no crowd, want to man cross. Now, see, a rinty. He said, they are so disappointed. I mean, we last. He declares also Saturday, if you want to be fair to the Almighty God, Ghana was quiet. Ghana was sad. MPP was sad. MPP was quiet.
It's never true.
Okay, but I say
never true. Maybe you were.
I was see.
Yeah, dear.
But that's it.
So, Ghana.
Asunu me no.
Nyankopon ya Adom.
Okay.
Addison must go no ebebaso.
Oh you. Yes, I can say. I can 2 days.
Na mo da so kita sa.
I'll respond on that.
No de. Na hina pa na why you savings work bank and this savings go back na akafu ba be down na go say big savings no more am go business that's what I'm okay.
Okay,
that's like the reason why we say
no honorable demonstration
na ye gina so pa na say okasai adesem afa kwan bi so a Mram Manokwan,
okay.
Apprentice Kama Bank.
Okay.
I'm a Ghana.
You know
what Central Bank, baby.
Adesi must go. The money bebaso. Okay.
Very respond on that.
Nia, ya can enra contest that.
Saturday.
Contest MPP for ye. Eddie can say me, baby. I met them as a contest them can fasubi eniso.
Oh,
and fasubi eniso.
Oh, what eh?
Who be a maybe a besenko. Near maybe a way. 17 aspirants a call contest.
Okay.
And I Ghana because so mobile bank when Sika Benti fading Mudi Sika be brain near my course or Legon Sada no Sabre no mono. Ghana for bong and a pa. What and no more quesa and sacre say 1 year, sir. I don't go baby says fast benefits by. Then I will be save womb. A Sika was say, Bema Abba form until no yes, I don't know. Because one. More ballot papers. It is a more than call main Congress, no. ana it's conference main conference no and am koye ya ankebe mo be nyam result na mo hwe pepepe ba ne course no de me ne menim fa Dr. Baumia ne winning ne ho ne say ne ma ahro abi ways and means
okay ways and means
yeah ways and means and we apply
how
Baumia ne nkrofo no na no christ mama mfa me wi mfisa asem no me da won asese ne NDC ya hwehwe no ogosu ye man
okay
ne NDC ya hwehwe no
dia na mo hwehwe
ya hwehwe ne se won fa Baumia mra win won flagship no
it's never true
and nkura ne hia yen na fe won me contest NDC
NDC kure ni jehu se Dr. Baumia
be ye pe ne ya bompire ne se won fa Dr. Baumia mra tie because Dr. Baumia won amfa na ma amaye na Nakufado running mate because ono na not MPP party na se eche ngobia what the buy say o meboa na Nakufado because ono na no ye economist
okay
meboa
okay
na adwuma no wagonga fi say na wonyi na so nto obama ne say 2012 ono call court eko di mfade kokasama party no
also ono an vision
here daddy
the vision to put Ghana on the map to shape our economy
no kind of work convincing all kind of convincing
you know mo jina so da kwato abama ni
oh ganya no ne ba wura bi me ba ba chiro ma ba ko ye sika a wo de 12 votes no nyam na me kon
on the top my vote
aba ye wo Ghana ha sika ye nnuanu mo tugu mountain so baby a woko bia chairman na didi say peche
we are talking about ministers of state
oh say nka kan say obema ma the evidence aba ka me boa me honam de bi a chira Jesse won kan okware
the ministers of state yet
sika kwa eko constituencies enya asem ketwa eto so abien intimidation intimidation because we member of parliament now you want so kudi ala echi a say wo obi no be contest
one a contest am no sasa
yeah cause bebre kwa cause Sylvester Mensa right slide 30
yeah
consequences go here cause wo and many other places honorable ti hey say nyese nka ye no yi nanim say me support ala na anka bia o no kwan so contest ne seat bio e wa ye nsu ano enso obi ayi ho we si peg chenchen until when you say opese ko di obi foforo achi a you do it at your own peril enti ama bebre na no genuinely on Dr. Baumia candidate na so ni ano enti ma me kama no ntom na me nkoto aba because nipa ni sa we nipa be ye baby nipa 30 baby nipa 20 no na ade enti say you hwanim say me de ampani ampa so what I say me MP and now me ye be appointee of this establishment
yeah
na me kwa akoto aba wo betimi ahwe abu say asema say na obenten wanto ama Dr. Baumia pempen so wo beti a CEOs ahoro wo Ghana ha nyina hina no one declare ama Dr. Baumia openly member of parliament openly enti ne akoso no wo hwe genuinely a bibia no ache say na eye fair contest na no record ehunu na wo enti ko ho soro ma me nkoto ne mum te say na honorable kan yi ye konia 208,000 ne beka koto dia nipa ne doso enti metimi a kire ne amadwen me pesa me de to enti na de en how ye ne mum ye beka so asre won ne ekoso no eye tan ne say internal election and also kuturu kubo ifiyum internal election mo amoho ekuturu kubo and if in fact because when akoto be nyina ye nipa ye beka so nga kwadre wo MPP party nim wo ye mpanyimfo
okay
so that as when you grassroots it can expect say benya incident bi awom
okay
regards to say violence obi akobrim obi apam obi afia enam so mo rak na Japan mi na de nyina ba bonten abekasa etia sa ne ma no enya fe na no na President Mahama kan say they said na Nakufado opage ne ho yi was hard ne ho because aye no wo party wo sebi you mo teka ne MSC ni kakra bi and some about main election other contested other political parties no so man timi anya no krogen na mabo ene hunahuna ne niama basa se koso a enye fe mpacho general election ye nto aba Ghana da nipa ba wotwe ahwe won kwada since 1992 let me see that I see and Nakufado
away
hey
2020 election.
Ya to a baby now for demonstration na we MPP na ma wo.
Say niam ya tan ya mo fese.
Okay, ni say niam ya tan ya mo fese. Niam ya tan ya mo fese.
Because niam ya tan ya mo fese. And now bro beto ma banka sankasa de bevi. Na mo ne akani ehia. Say nipa ba ku ponka na wiro kra no. Eto chima. Me wi me kasa no. Wọ́n afre binom so wọ́n wọ́n kọ disciplinary committee.
Yeah.
Na minim wọ́n nyina so kese. Niama bebre ho a senka party no wo balls a. Agonga ntra ho ama medu sabi. Em bi na oyi ya amanfo asitiri fa ho no. Wo balls a party no executive no balls a. Anka medu bebi akodi na enkosi hwi enkosi hu. So obeka so be ma kene Japan ga den. Obe disqualify na ana obe den. Enkosi hwi. Niami wie kra no. Wo hwa abato na. Ora apreku.
Yeah.
Wanya bi kra. Na me bisa senti ono wanto abani bia na.
They be one.
Wanto
On your delegate.
So your former appointee and the president.
No. Former MPs in count, former appointees in count. What are what two be no?
Current.
No.
Fathers.
Who say your political party be already register?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, all across the region. The people also want one signature, registration. Or that time there were 10 regions in Ghana. Into one signature share.
Was in now.
Dr. Yeah, my mimi myself. It is a Dr. Prakun kan there, and then I know when you be cry.
What you say?
Matias Yama. But sometimes election bisa no. Obe bisa say nipa na wo person contest. I will carry one home.
Hey.
Because see, ashase na ana nipa bibi hu say Dr. Praku ne ho na fi system ne.
The vision for NPP ne huge and great.
One fast hard no nkom. NPP party no. So we can system bi ho. And now we nisika. Won't pa home measure sa name. MPP party no won nyina so pass anything. Say we fi system no na won ka ho. Establishment won ka ho. Na won nisika. Sika pa sha dan tie because won nyama wo ye nyina. Sika sem. Intina man say ba hwa. Sika no gun crofo dan mu no.
Hey,
won nya bi good dan ma masa won so kasa wo betie. Intina Ghana sika gun crofo dan mu. Dr. Bamia na yentime fa sense so nka se okofes ka se efi ha okofes ka se efi ha no
okay
eyi sika wo na hwe agu no e kire ne nti a Bank of Ghana aboka e printi over 80 billion ama bank otisi na yentime hu ba bi kura sika no e koi a wo de ye a betimi a kire se o ampani ampa se mpo sika sa fi central government central bank eba bank semwa eyi ni wo de ye na me guess what you say enti e kire na mom Ghana for mom yamani. Are
you saying sika na print mudu do ba omi ho ana?
This is a serious statement. Shouldn't allow
any ba omi ho se ba omi anya sika se
yeah
e dey ato voter nipa kukudam se
why na say Dr. Baumia amani sika o de ko vote here
o tie ne hopes na do e be kan
wa mo Baumia di o
wa mo Baumia di na nipa na o kan so tres ka no tres ka se e influence nipa nkoto Obama hena
maybe hopes entimi anchire mu
edu so be chire
go there 10 candidates
enyame na me be kan
and I'm say 10 candidates ni e wo
hopes na do isi
and I know say obi ehwe sika obi sika so ehwe wan chire nipa o hwe sika no on his behalf
the petua secretary course me boa secretary course and the party mpanyemfa won akwadare say na just o tres ka mo ansa won atimi ato aba to a particular direction akwese and how as school for a good school ma won nya aduane ni na ko trainees and be aboso na henia won tua won kai and how because Bank of Ghana ka won abono then you dey
ba omi ache form ye dey
ba omi aye chairman of the economic management team
okay
Ghana sikasem obetenia ora campaign be kan nre ya o kasi asem so sem pon do susu say Bank of Ghana governor no maybe emlem no kese na mo emlem aban because on nim say sika no sebe wa fan ko to engo ba bi o de ma aban otisi a finance minister na fi sika sem so Dr. Baumia and na hwe economic management team
aban for sika na nya adwuma
be what's what adwuma be
on fa nya adwuma
bo se woni maka wona yo century me de friends dem na ni nkomo na okra wonnim na me na menim o de ye den sika sabi say nyese gu nkrofo dan ma yafiase hu a dan nyuma no de aye
so be sika gu ni dem no obi anka say aban sika o ana
na da be fiase na ye gya nya atwom ne aka no kwai
okay it's not because it's not because it's not because a ben be a enka wunti na won is
that be ekwe ka hena sika na egu dan mo ho tie ni ne awo kotwe fi mu $100 million what twe
$100 million
and sorry $1 million
okay
from Fanchebe and about 350,000
euros
yeah and then sika ka ho de and won to me kra body
yeah
and you no kra presidential staff bibi no ma ni bi ono so ebi si won di yati bebre
oni akrofo ne call so kronobo
wo ko no first ka bi wo
yes mo fa ne sika
o se den skasa
o so say no
yeah euro wom friend
what
can pound sterling wom and several other currencies ehinya ade a ye beka se ye nya katakata sumu aso ma me nan kasa kwa be fa so be chire nska mu ne de ye nim se abang kokwa sen bi e ko so na nso ti
okay
enye fe
okay
enye ni so se Ghana economy ateto apansam se
okay
aka abang de officially 120 why a haircut ama ene pension e sika what they call bond what they pa ban busia and just wo kokko pekiti e ko su kira ban ansa watua ama ne ama nyina ye wosreka sika sem enti kanya sabri ana ye ho se wodi sika etu ayampia na bisi ye bompa ne se won ko non fa Dr. Bamiano
Bernard NPSC a member of the NDC National Communications Team uguso Kyerematen on Badwam yeko na manso akwa diska mulabre aso and otwaya o number e bo anisa game park up next esa ba munyina akwa ba biementi o number amwa be pacho ewie ebo mesra afi mesra aba
oh sorry you need some aba
6
na me face ni ye
9 3 7 we any winning numbers no for any anopet mamodi nyama mutirim kwa
numbers
for them 6 9 3 7 etu twa no wadia we skake say tam where we need some power ewie dumienu and nwre no sia ye be start draw from e de abro Alfred Thompson a member of Baumia campaign team and also a member of the MPP National Communications team. Alfred
o numbers
yeah
2 woman FE no mo 69 no
yeah
na MSA 3 no MSA na by 1
yeah and drop it to
692 and 629 and 926
Alfred
permutations we
okay it not draw hard
and one draw ba no we na ukonye sika we ka say we sika
okay
mania what is an establishment
okay
MPP establishment you are an establishment as a party beboa
yeah
so when you tell me that obi establishment party mejiatu because it's a grassroots who are calling for him
okay
or establishment candidate I'll say yes he is an establishment candidate because the grassroots are calling for him MPP is a party it's an establishment that's been established and the people talk from ground to top
okay
into who can say obi establishment anyone him but you know what this is much on 2007 munya obi a also establishment candidate in so lose elections meboa and now we lose it it tells you that we hear ejuma pa you will gain results
okay
we hear ejuma pa you will gain results and that is what happened last Saturday. Let me tell you, nobody should tickle himself and laugh, say, oh, na we there a small fraction because it's 1,000. Most of the times, research of institutions, no, yet nationwide.
Yeah.
Election survey. How many people do they use? Akoso had 3,000 out of over
17
million people. It's almost sample.
Yeah.
So if you go and take a sample size of 1,000. Out of over 200,000 omobeba the next phase now. Yeah. Isn't it a sample size? Doesn't it tell you that it's a reflection of what is yet to come? People should not tickle themselves and laugh. and you think say you better not say yeah juma because
nothing will change.
Say yeah juma, nothing will change. What is happening will be even better. I'm telling you on authority today.
There's 68%.
See Saturday, no.
Okay.
68%. No, I gave you why it went below 70. 29 people didn't vote. 29, no. Yeah, the 2 and 3 and 4 poka. It takes us over the 70. It takes us over the 70. So your calculations and permutations, back to me a proxy. The other people are a woman. To me about because of various reasons. It is a take us stock we should be crossing the 70 mark.
So Nkrofo amano majority among Nkrofo.
Oh, me say yen fabi na yen jebi. Yen permutations but say ebia percentage
out of the 27
out of the 26 number no percentage yen fan it say yenya be 70% no. 70% of that number no.
Okay.
Will definitely come and add on. It will pass the 70% mark.
Okay.
Into some of these calculations now. Let's be real. Yes, you might want to work now. First time one year, man, so who share one constituency by constituency, people by people, individuals by individuals. Now we cluster. We cluster. We say, oh, the people, you know, the people love you at the cluster. Cluster. Ngofu piamba. Oh, ngofu piamba. We had our people on ground. People were not coming. Who share 3 or 4 constituencies, we put them together. Now, I say in Crawford, be 500, but now we have 200. I was over my class.
VIP control over the numbers nekotuaba they Saturday.
Because he worked with them one-on-one. Who to honor me be ufie? Na me no be kasa.
Yeah.
Me ba wo area, na me no be share. No be ti wo ti ho no be fro say bra fence East Legon.
Yeah.
Na be share me wo ha. Who would you really want to work with? More respect about Wunchain.
Okay.
That is what happened. And that is what is reflected. And it will reflect all over. So let us not tickle ourselves and laugh. About what do you call it? Osechi means Sandy Okayano. He's an individual who just brought his thoughts out.
Okay.
One cost topic college, electoral college, they say, listen, Sana Yepeno, into Yankonasa. Just like the same way as you say, I am a quantia, Wabetina, how was expressing your thoughts. No, these are things, and your thoughts will not align with his thoughts. His thoughts might not align with your thoughts. But what you're not doing, on can say, Fichi, the only people who can decide on what can be done is the National National Council.
Yeah.
National Council made up of all of us.
Yeah.
That is the final authority.
Okay.
Nobody can do that. There are just 2 things.
No, but 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
But make a be in chair PSA, no Montias, yes, Bank of Ghana is not a political party. So they should stop that their political lineage now. Or say they don't have any ideas or anything to do. So they want to push everything on Bank of Ghana. They should stop that.
Okay.
It's an institution you don't joke with. It's an institution you don't play with. It's an institution a sanctity and you say because whatever you do, if you say Nipakro person leaders are too forced or no why a board member of Bank of Ghana that those times or your board member now you check the gold watch not there nor there.
But that's
those times of Bank of Ghana Omoko IMF no mudi see your friends a guest house what any tamale
2 seconds.
What did they do? It's the entire side
no. No can see 2007.
Yeah.
Na establishment no candidate I agree. But Sabana ya 2007. Na necessary for 2023
yeah.
in Mushi. Satam ni anything like but delegate go.
Yeah.
Jafe na ya ko to Sabana in 2020.
I think the second time I'm more super delegate.
Yes, yeah, 2014.
That time so
today yanko. Oh, Emra now commenting on my sample size na issues na be raising. Missy sample size no to say oba mo adwuma mu ha multimedia na person we research say multimedia for koto aba na ye koto aba e kwakoto person me research here no be win na me hyen ha na obi a me hia no oto aba ni bi no me ma no questionnaire say on answer na even if it is 0.1% that is sample size to recognize but say me be hyen ha na multimedia group no so you be the kind koto aba ba akwansa ni ye yimu CEO ni mpehimfu bi ai kwakoto aba na wo contest bi na CEO no nim say oh asemesi no wini amepe na nipa si wo na point won no okase won akoto abanti no ye sample size and say sample size na kasa won share da enti ase nti ne ye koto no de sesesi ya no research team bi ko rounds no mo koye research obi hu say ni ye koto no enye ade a eye research a de sample size e ba be compare na ye na me catch polling station executives a won na ye kwakoto okwakoto aba eye 4th November ne say wonya yorishimu ewura alankwajo Kyerematen so na one to one bus one to one command to him obi enfi ni pemu na 4th November onko to aba no emmokoto aba na onkai say MPP party ne hu be hia pa say yebetumi break it na ya tena ben mu ache na se be break it dia na e do ewura alankwajo Kyerematen no ba
na so wunyi ni say Saturday results no ebenya effect bi wo
not at all nyama bi wo ha wa hu eye in house into me Ghana bunting.
Okay.
But when him say a bright ye would nipa bi ane ye very sure say e be a constituency chairman. Meme tie wo me region mu and other regions and ye very sure so beto abama around Kyerematen. But ye share vote ye nyan na. It say sa chairman fu ni bi anto amaye.
Okay.
Nti so yi na wo yi no anto ama. Nti yes ye be frɛ ne ye bisa masa na assurance pa mo de ma yen
ne ko si say
na 7 penny nya we si so wona bon ya de akoto o ya ka kire won si akoto mo na mmom no the bigger the electoral college is there and there too ma we na ko no hanto ama wa it is o malaba
okay
nti no mo me nya abotre yen ko down
bi kwa de me fi ne koto aba no
men kan sa wona waka nti yen ko down college no so what de bibia ni wo obi a be fi
actually aba but I say
Agwazi, every position now, so there's a tie.
Yeah.
Between
Francis Adom and Boacheja. Na me titi bibi.
Mamen kama seme.
O fa che me o. Me titi bibi se as a Boacheja ko be withdraw.
I want to walk.
Yes,
I think that a whole man for should be answer.
Okay.
If some person contest the crana, there's a way I'll wait me here. Well,
I don't know the make up say only President Kufado the year panic chop. What's all the go? No.
Medical catch us. Okay. Sika 70. Dr. Baumia odi hu djuma pa. Because mama chiro.
Okay.
What Tuesday 8th August.
Yeah.
Already I'm on the communication director ma in Japan. Ebe cancer Dr. Bamiache 50,000
allegation
until say
allegation.
Yeah, you can in nipa on invite once a woman share disciplinary committee. Oh, nipa na on invite once a woman disciplinary committee. It remains an allegation
discussion aye.
And Tema East Dr. Bamiache said no mutum promise delegates obemobia 200 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Tema East. It won't name among check
Ghana cedis. What is wrong with that?
Oh. And down.
What is wrong with that?
Nyamekano. Wa confirm say am pass Dr. Baumia.
No, Alfred.
Na mum say can ye.
Na pay buy we bisa me 500 Ghana. Yeah, me the be man. So and also they can say
what is this?
Oh.
That's
Alfred.
If no.
Mpacho David no musika.
David. Avan chatron to me sir. It's correct. Enya sad no.
Ben discussing about discussing.
What is this?
Me bisa.
Why is that my mom factor goes all the control put
who name the discussion?
That discussion limit table so.
Na say ba me aso discussion. For me akọ discussion quite.
Ben yeko.
Nyameka ko wie ni say. Nipa say di Dr. Bamiache e be ye den. No nga ti nya kan no kwara kire papa. Nipa say e di net ultimate bo ntim po twa atro. Anya nwa so nga transfer na ma ko Dr. Bamiache ni pa. Why in ni so ati ase. Aje ni nim say ono the credibility de. On na bo e.
Next America de.
Enya dia ehia no kwa. Ntina atro wadi afia so no akira Freddy. Nko yo bi odi no ni kama.
Next America.
Actually, Nyameka ko si ni say party no agora we di ni nyina no ne Paul Bonne say worry you be a oba be di Ghana ani
yeah
enye party ne nkomo keke obi a yesusu say what ne ba in the unlikely event say obi win election a obetimi ahwe Ghana so
okay
amayen Nti me get say MPP for now. What train sa 208,000 now 208,000 now what train akoto aban sabrin. How do fa nga dwen kosi?
Okay.
Nyana na Akufo-Addo kire Ghana fo. Me di 2 million man no 2016 December 7th. Fenu sinsanso. Won hwe nipa no say we no system no support we no bi as yemfa ne mra. Debi. Ye mi sansem won nsem a wokem. Ne hu sampani am pass ye di Ghana hye won sa. Wo betimi aye. Na kwasi nipa na di kan aba no. O yi be say am say first 5 na di kan aba no.
4 na ba say.
Okay, yemfa no say 4 na di kan aba no.
Yeah.
Obia wa ban yim deda. Apart from Obia ora kan Japan. Onumpo
Or board chairman of Ghana Gas.
This exactly so. So na se sankrofo ba nan yi atena ben mu a emu ba sa tieni yo emu ba sa at a point no one nyina ye economic management team members.
Okay.
The fantastic team.
Okay.
And I be wade adman ko wi Ghana na yen hawo nyina economic issues. Yang hawo nyina ye Ghana sikasama ateto apansam bosia bebreba sankrofo nyina di anim eje abru Ghana so ne mo fra se be yan wo won po yan atro won ka to wotwen won enya no enya ho fe enya ne obeje sika akwa ne na ochina bi audio hardware ya kwasi da me ka ko sini se e de ne edikan.
Okay.
Ye twen ne atisu edi.
Okay.
Yan de bon price of one for Dr. Badwam Amra.
So confirm. Orab Wache Yako. I step it down.
Oh, yeah, man, man.
Francis Adom.
It's a nice
from the campaign.
Because on Ankasade.
Or the letter.
On Ankasade.
Letter beto aswano.
It's just you can confirm. What you can say confirm.
Okay, who's a menu what you say or in that because we're establishing who say no quite there be Obeka. Now we what exposing no idea about
or can say no of them.
Oh, that's step down.
It's meaning say watching the
because
energy ministry say almost minister of energy
going to team up. It is a one step down.
Let us say, let us happy birthday, Mfama Tokonu. And your birthday, I wish you all the best. Nyamisha no nyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa unyame.
Virus. In the birthday, State House and Company virus.
Virus, yeah.
I wish him all the best.
I wish him more. I wish him more grace. I wish him blessings. And I wish him baby a ebe buana. Ebe pejana bosho. Na ejuma kese so oyema Dr. Bawumiano. I wish him.
Nobody see say Oka one of the CEOs abo ejuma ya na Akufo-Addo. Untimi enyi virus infrim.
In fact, CEOs are Oba na the company in there. Na when we go company no. We can move na work for na company. Na ya bo from State House Company. But virus fact and never pedanga to State House virus Akodu Mpensenpensenmu bi State Housing. Ukita uskasi si ana alcohol. What on dan say na ye ton too so aboten.
Okay.
You can even get a house to buy now. Very good house. And your first now o kwa figure o kwa we as a dan ko bi ni ho. And there wo bon don komi. Na wa be ya de. Na sere aban. But say poku ase ho. Whatever na asase bi no expansion. Na sana housing system no ekoso Ghana ha na eyi pa yetumi to aso saa na alankojo Kyerematen job for the boys cash for the boys ono so baro beto aso the next
nyina but so what was somebody pay
60 years Ghana ni bia benya ba bia but I say
my microphone nyina aye off sira me pacho Mr. Sira me di kan no is confirmed Boachi Ejako former energy minister has stepped down Ediama Francis Adom, former MP of Asante Mampong, say one enko biem. Enti every ene enko sini hukwada de MPP pen for finalize the 5 candidates enko November 4th. Happy birthday once again enko Mfama Tokonu. Nyami enshta na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. And also happy birthday to Nana Kojo Jantua of Insha FM. Nana, wish you all the best. We love you. God bless you. Ochina, and bebesa ediesha. Background.
Whatever it is,
So you can
it
say
is
it's
pronounced
confirmed. Once
virus.
you have